Hi everyone. In this video, we will build a simple fast API endpoint that connects to an AI model and rewrites text based on the different prompts. I will explain everything step by step, so even if you are new to fast API, you can follow along. And also, if you are interested in running AI models locally without spending money on APIs, this video is for you. So today we will set up Llama and build our first AI powered application. So I just created the grammar fix, a very simple Python application. So this is a main.py file. So before starting, I'll first explain what is Fast API. So Fast API, it's a modern Python framework to build APIs quickly. The main features of Fast API is it has a fast performance and it has automatic API documentation, which is a Swagger, and built-in request validation, and it is mainly used for AI and machine learning projects. So let's get into this. So first, a basic get call. So app.get, and you have to enter the route, and then you can define the method and return it. So now this is our main method, which is to fix the grammar. So this is a post API and slash rewrite. So that's a path, and then inside that definition method. So here is the way we have to call the AI model from Fast API chat. So this is we have already installed the Ollama package, and if you are seeing here chat, that's a method, and inside that it requires two inputs. One is a model and then messages. So model is nothing but it's a Llama model, the current model name. So I'm using Llama 3.2, and then inside the message we can send the objects like the roles of that model. So here role, and there are two roles I have defined, system and user. In our last video I have explained what is system prompt and then user prompt. So the role system prompt I have mentioned, like and the content, you are a professional writing assistant, like it's a default behavior that we are already giving it. And this is a role, that's a user prompt, and then content is prompt. So the prompt is nothing but it's an input from our post API, like prompt and perform this action. So this action can be anything, like fix the grammar or write a professional mail or concise the text, something like that. And the text is actual content of the user input. So this is the prompt which we are giving in the users. So once we will get the response here, and then we will return the response, get message and get content. So that's it. This is how we have to write a post API using Fast API and also connect the Llama. So for running this application, first you need a Python. So I'll check the Python version. I have a Python 3.14.5. Next, I'll just start the virtual environment for running the Python. Now I'll activate the virtual environment scripts and then activate it. So this is for Windows, this command we can use it. So once that is done, now what I'm going to do is I will run this application. So to run this application, I'm using this particular UVCon package. So con main app reload. So this main is actually our main.py file. So I have added it. In case if you have a app.py, you can change it something app reload. So now UVCon running on, and yeah, I will open it in the Chrome. So I default documentation Swagger. So these two APIs which we have already, I can able to see this. First I'll just explain the get call. If you execute it, you will see hello world. So this is a simple get API. Now we'll go into the rewrite API. Try it out. So text So here you have to give the input like something like I want to become a AI developer. So give me some suggestion, something, some incorrect text we will give. Okay. So action, I'm just adding it as grammar, and I'll just click on execute. So what it will do is this fast API connects to our AI model, the Llama one, and then we will get the response. So here instead of Llama you can still use OpenAI, but OpenAI is actually a paid version. So that's why for initial beginners we can use a Llama for learning purpose. So now it's connecting to Llama, and here is the response. So the result is, here is the corrected text with the proper grammar and spelling. I want to become an AI developer. Please provide me with some suggestions. And you can add the semicolon and other details. You will get it from the model. Now the second action I'm trying to perform is grammar. Now some concise format. I want to just get a very minimal data. So now I'll try to execute it. So locally it takes some time because we are connecting to the Llama, so it will take, but if you deploy the code into server, it won't take this much time. Yeah. So this is the concise format. To become a AI developer, consider following step: learning languages, familiar yourself with machine learning, AI ML concepts, participate projects. So these are the details, you will get it from the model. Same way I can try to use something professional way or something. It's a user friendly action that you can give, and the text also, it's a user prompt, right? So you can give anything. So here you can see the logs, like we have run this API once, get API, and then twice the post API. Now still it is running because it's a professional way, so it will give the details, more details. So before running this one, after you activate the virtual environment, what you need to do is you have to run the pip install. So these required packages I have already installed. So that's why I'm able to run this command. But after this you have to run the pip install. So I can tell you the command. Command should be pip install hyphen or requirements.txt. So this you have to run before running the application. So all the required packages which are added in the requirements.txt, you will able to get it in your local application. So once that is done, you can successfully able to run the application. So now the API execution is done. You can see the result is more. Becoming a AI developer, these are the things that we are getting it from the model. So that's why it took some time. Yeah, so this is a very easy way that we can connect our local fast API to Ollama AI model. Okay, I think that's it. So I hope you like this video. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.